Lieutenant Goodspeed. I'm going to talk to Lieutenant, see that he's over here. Lieutenant, we got a problem.
What's the problem?
The problem is this guy, I don't know his name, Shaggy, he doesn't know the First Amendment.
Okay.
He says if I'm not here for legitimate business, then I am to leave. So I tried to ask him what legitimate business means. So to you, Lieutenant, could you tell me and articulate what legitimate business means to you? And what is the lawful standard on the First Amendment when it comes down to press?
To press?
Yes, when it comes down to press in a public lobby filming you, what is the lawful standard?
I guess you're allowed to do it.
Thank you. So why did he generate a call?
Did you ask him a question or did you just come in filming?
Well, that's besides the point. The point is, the fact is, he called and generated a service that I'm speaking to two officers and a lieutenant.
Because he claims you're trespassing.
And what is the lawful standard of trespassing?
The lawful standard of trespassing would be to be in an area when you have no legitimate business to be there.
And what am I doing?
I don't know what you're doing.
What am I doing now?
You're videotaping.
Is that legitimate business?
For what purpose?
You gotta be kidding me, Goodspeed.
Good morning, everyone. San Joaquin Valley Transparency here. Recently, we posted a video on the San Joaquin News Network channel for a channel called Buffalo Hot Shots. He's out in New York recording. This guy is a veteran, so he put up a community post and gave me a shout out. I want to read that to you guys really quick. To San Joaquin News Network, I'd like to personally give a big shout out and a huge thank you to San Joaquin News Network of sharing my channel, my video, and my views of what I stand for, freedom. Everything you said about numbers and views, I absolutely agree. I don't care about numbers, money, nor fame. After serving this nation against foreign and domestic enemies in the Marine Corps in the past, some things never leave you. I've had this channel ever since 2017, but I couldn't post my footage because most of my content were buried on another platform, of which are involved in a huge civil lawsuit that I am prosecuting myself. I have no attorneys. They refuse to help me. They are in bed with the government, but I managed to bring the fight from the streets and in the courtroom myself, of which one of my lawsuits ended in a settlement. However, it wasn't until the loss of Jay Surreal Camera is when I had realized that I had to do something about my videos, especially after frauditor channels were making fun of his death. His loss was a huge blow to the auditing community. Again, thank you so much for sharing my content. And you are welcome to share anything I have. It's men and women like you that are the real heroes. It's people like you that are truly the last line of defense when it comes to transparency and accountability of holding public officials accountable to their oaths they are bound by to protect the Constitution. If one of us, like Jay Surreal, falls, may three more like him rise. Just like in battle. When one man falls, another fills his place as the fight for our freedom continues. I hope someday we could audit together. Until that time comes, our defense of our freedoms on this virtual battlefield continues. See you downfield. Blue Raven, out. That was a shout out to myself from Buffalo Hot Shots. You guys definitely go subscribe to his channel. He has about 4 videos up right now, if I'm not mistaken, and he's going to continue to post videos. So definitely go subscribe to him. I just wanted to do this quick video so you guys can have an idea of what it is that I do. I try to help promote other channels grow so that we can build a community. With that being said, thank you all for tuning in. Go subscribe to Buffalo Hot Shots. Let him know that we really do appreciate him serving this country not once but twice. He was in the Marines, folks, and he sees what needs to be done here in this country. He picked the camera up and started recording and started asking questions. And so for that, Buffalo Hot Shots, we all thank you. From the San Joaquin family to yours, we really appreciate you. Thank you very much. Everybody go subscribe. Peace.
He's on Facebook. Yeah. What you got going on in there?
Director Patrol.
Director Patrol on social media?
On social media?
Yeah. You're on Direct Patrol on social media, right? So we pay you just to be on social media? Or do we pay you to patrol the area?
Well, I am on patrol, sir.
Yeah, on social media. This is not patrolling the area when you're on social media on your cell phone.
I have a certain area I'm sitting in, sir.
This is not a certain area when you're sitting idly by on your social media. So it must be nice, huh? What's your name and badge number? Are you going to take off? Get back to work. It's going to be a long day for you guys tonight.
All right, guys, so these clips come to you from Buffalo Hot Shots channel. Definitely go subscribe. I'm going to drop the links in the description and in the pinned comment. I think this guy is doing a good job out there in Buffalo, New York. I think New York cops definitely need to be held to a higher standard. They've been getting away with far too much for far too long, folks. Before you guys go, we're going to give you the First Amendment of the Constitution. You have a freedom of religion, freedom of press, freedom of speech, freedom of assembly, and freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. Absolutely do not forget those, folks. They are important for everyday life. Freedom should be the topic on every dinner table in America every single night. Teach your friends and family their natural rights. Show them my channel. Let them know to subscribe. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.